9th, 2026, and we are going to go over today's Nasdaq review. We're going to do a review of Nasdaq's price action this morning. All right, so today for me was a little rough and tough because our hourly, we were like down here in this rejection block, and we had this hourly fair value gap. Looked like we could want to be bearish, but we did have a bullish S&T in this morning. My analysis wasn't great today. Let me show you what I did. And now we're pumping, absolutely rallying higher to those highs, which is what I wanted to see today. But I still got chopped up and I lost today. Due to late entries slash early entry, I'll just show you if I can switch this over to. So this is Nasdaq. Let me show you what I did. I traded ES because we did have that bullish SMT. Oh shit. So, um, my entry was I had such an L entry today. And I think that's why I closed out of this trade. So my entry was so bad. It was so bad. I think it was. I'm just gonna turn it on. So bad. Okay. I literally got in what did I say 956 95625 95625, right? So right there. And first off, I wanted this to be the end of the stop because we came down with this rejection block, and I was like, all right, that might be a protected low, but I was iffy on it, so I didn't set a stop loss. Once we went below it, I moved my stop to the bottom of this 5 minute, which is right here, right here. But literally, I was really just targeting this high. So that's a 0.21 RR, and then this is a 0.5 RR, so it's nothing great. Like that's why I closed out because my RR was so ass, and I just had an early entry, and I think that's all it is. We came into this 5 minute, and I was like, all right, bet, time to go. Um, and I just got a late entry. That's all it is. Like I saw us come into here, I should have entered here. Didn't enter here. We came below that in this 5 minute. Didn't disrespect this 5 minute, and then we started rallying higher, and then we're going to these highs. Might even go up here. Which is rough because even before this, my previous model that I like basically made, based off of Forever model, the inevitable model, we have it right here. So very obvious SMT at these lows with Nasdaq, right? Um, CSD here, right here. Retracement to inverse fair value gap that was created, and that would be the entry. So longs. I saw this and I marked it out, and I was like, "Damn, that's a beautiful trade." It just didn't happen to be in my time frame. After 9:45 was before 9:45 when this happened. And my take profit would have been these highs right here, relative highs. So it would have been 1.7, which is still a good RR. And realistically, I probably wouldn't have risked all of this. I probably would have had my stop to like here or even here for 8.3 RR or basically 4 RR. And then as you can see, price continued to rally. So it was just bad executions today. Overall, like trading idea and bias was pretty good. These protected lows, This is a protected low. So, and it just chopped from when I wanted to trade. So like from 9:30 to 9:43 or 9:45, we had a pretty good rally higher, and then after 9:45, we came back down to a retracement, and then 10 o'clock, we tapped this consequent encroachment of this 5 minute, went higher, came lower, tapped it again, and then we started rallying again after 10 o'clock. Yeah, so that's Monday price action. I did. So right here, I lost like 350, and so then we ended up having a SMT right here with this low on Nasdaq. Nasdaq didn't take out that low, so I went over to Nasdaq, and this trade wasn't anything fantastic either. Um, we came into this fair value gap. I wanted to see us go into this fair value gap, which we ended up doing. I think, yeah, we definitely did. Um, but I entered on this upper fair value gap, stop loss below this low because I wanted to see us go in here. Price ends up going in here. I was down like 250 and then came back up, tapped right here, and basically almost break even on the day. That's all I was hoping for. Now we might get a reversal to the downside. Looking at this screen, BS came up, took out this high. This is 15 minute. Nasdaq came up, took out these highs. So we might get a reversal now. I might be able to enter on that if you want to. Huge dick down. Anyways, that's it for Monday. I hope y'all learned something. I hope I learned something. Trust your gut. If you know what you're doing, trust your gut and just hold. Put your stop loss where it needs to be. Enter where you need to enter. Don't enter late. Don't enter early. Enter on time. And yeah, that's the lesson for today. Be on time. That applies for a lot of things. So hope y'all had a good Monday trading session. And I will see y'all tomorrow. This is y'all.